Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training with the Elastic Certified Observability Engineer exam, and today we will finish the APM topic. We will see how we can add APM integration and how we edit the configuration. With that being said, let's jump to our lab environment. So to be able to do so, we go to Fleet, right? And here from Fleet, we will see the list of our agents. And here we see the policy. So if you click on this policy, you see what we have as an integration. And during the exam, I don't know, like sometimes you or probably you find the integration here and you will just do the modification. Otherwise, you will or you have to add the integration and you do the modification after. Right, so this is the APM. You click here on the APM. So the first thing that we need to do is add in the APM integration here in the fleet. So this will redirect us to the Elastic APM, and we click on add, and here you have the configuration. So here the name of the integration, whatever, like if they ask you for specific name, scenario 1, 2, 3, whatever the name, then you put it here in the description. This advanced options, Elastic, we have or we can create multiple space, right? Like for observability team, for security team, for marketing, for analyst, for like different team we can create. So if you want to send this logs and metrics and or this APM data to a specific space, then you can change the namespace here. Another point is the about the or general information about the server. So this is the host, the URL, and some advanced configurations, right? Now let's close this advanced. So here real user monitoring. So here we have some configuration that we can add to enable or disable the real user monitoring. And here some advanced settings like a library frame pattern and so on and so forth. So if they ask you to change the library frame pattern, or they want you to exclude or include, or sorry, here we can just exclude from group. So we can here specify the name. And here it will be excluded automatically. For the TLS, if you want to encrypt or configure the TLS, then here it's the right place. Like to here, for example, you put the CA certificate, here the certificate key, and here you specify which version and so on and so forth. Here like agent authorization. So if you want to have an API key for the agent to authenticate, then you can enable this, and you put the secret key or the secret API token here, right? Here there is also this configuration that's related to the anonymous agent access. So you can enable it and disable it, and also you can specify like what the agent or the anonymous agent will have access to, or what he will do and what will not do. Here you say, or as you can see, it's tail-based sampling. So here it's a place where we can manage tail-based sampling for service and traces. So the emissions is Platinum, meaning it's not with the free version of Elastic. If you want to enable it, then this is the this is how to. So you just enable it. Here the interval like every 1 minute, you can specify it 1 hour, 30 seconds, and so on and so forth. And here the policy, here the storage limit, for example, and here if you want to here, for example, the APM server Golang XVAR support, and here also proof. I don't know what's exactly stand for, but this is if they ask you. So this is how you come here and you just enable it, right? This is the configuration. Once you're done, even you add it to an existing host, right? So we have our host here. We select it and save and continue. This we save and deploy the change automatically on our agent. You give it a few seconds and it will apply the apply the integration automatically. So here we can add also the agent, or it's the agent it's already here, as you can see, right? If we go to our fleet, and here we click on our policy, and here we have this policy directly. So if it's already here, then you can click and you come here and you click here and you come here and you do your modification. Otherwise, if it's not, then you add it first, and after that you get the second part of the scenario, another scenario, they ask you to do the modification. With that being said, I hope you like the video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video.